Hello, welcome everyone in our channel Banking Preparation. Today we are here with the most important MCQs of banking, and if you are new in our channel and if you have not watched the previous part of banking MCQs, the link is given in the description box below. Go and check and you can get the more knowledge about the banking MCQs. So now let's start the today's video. When was Nepal Rashtra Bank established? Options are Bikram Sambat 2013 Baisakh 10, 2013 Baisakh 12, 2013 Baisakh 14 and 2013 Baisakh 16. The correct answer is option C, Bikram Sambat 2013 Baisakh 14. Who among the following is the primary regulator of banking business? Options are Nepal Rashtra Bank, Central Government, Ministry of Finance and all of the above. The correct answer is option A. Nepal Rashtra Bank is the primary regulator of banking business in Nepal. Next, which country started first plastic notes? Options are Afghanistan, Argentina, Australia and Austria. The correct answer is option C, Australia. Next, which of the following types of accounts are known as demat accounts? Options are accounts which are opened to facilitate repayment of loan taken from the bank. No other business can be conducted from there. Accounts in which shares of various companies are traded in electronic form. Accounts which are operated through internet banking facility, and all the above. The correct answer is option B. Accounts in which shares of various companies are traded in electronic form is known as demat accounts. Which bank first introduced ATM in Nepal? Options are Nabil Bank, SBI Bank, Standard Chartered Bank and Himalayan Bank. The correct answer is option D, Himalayan Bank. Liability side of the balance sheet comprises options are capital and reserve, long-term liabilities, current liabilities and all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next, first commercial bank established in Nepal is options are Nepal Rashtra Bank, Rashtriya Banijya Bank, Nepal Bank Limited and Agriculture Development Bank Limited. The correct answer is option C. Nepal Bank Limited is the first commercial bank established in Nepal. When was Nepal Bank Limited established? Options are Bikram Sambat 1994 Kartik 10, 1994 Kartik 30, 1994 Ashwin 10 and 1994 Ashwin 30. The correct answer is option B. Bikram Sambat 1994 Kartik 30. Similarly, which Rana Prime Minister was established Nepal Bank Limited? Options are Bhim Samser, Juddha Samser, Bir Samser and Chandra Samser. The correct answer is option B, Juddha Samser. NAMA word is related to which organization? Options are World Trade Organization, UNCTAD, International Monetary Fund and World Bank. The correct answer is option A, World Trade Organization. NAMA stands for Non-Agricultural Market Assets. Which bank won the title Bank of the Year 2020? Options are SBI, NIC Asia, NMB and Nabil Bank. The correct answer is option C, NMB Bank. NMB Bank won the title Bank of the Year 2020. How many joint venture banks are there in Nepal? Options are 3, 5, 7 and 10. The correct answer is option C, 7. Those 7 joint venture banks are Nepal SBI Bank, Everest Bank, Nabil Bank, Standard Chartered Bank, Nepal Bangladesh Bank, Himalayan Bank and NMB Bank. Which is the first joint venture commercial bank of Nepal? Options are Nabil Bank, Everest Bank, NMB and SBI. The correct answer is option A, Nabil Bank. A fixed deposit receipt is kept with the bank for its safety is known as options are safe custody, safe deposit, locker and valid safe deposit. The correct answer is option A, safe custody. What is the current VAT rate in Nepal? Options are 10%, 13%, 14% and 15%. The correct answer is option B, 13%. Who is the first governor of Nepal Rashtra Bank? Options are Deb Shamsher Jabara, Ganesh Bahadur Thapa, Lakshminath Gautam and Himalaya Shamsher Jabara. The correct answer is option D, Himalaya Shamsher Jabara. When was the Rashtriya Banijya Bank established? Options are Vikram Sambat 2022 Magh 4, 2022 Magh 6, 2022 Magh 8 and 2022 Magh 10. The correct answer is option D. Rashtriya Banijya Bank was established in 2022 Magh 10. Who is the current governor of Nepal Rashtra Bank? Options are Chiranjeevi Nepal, Mahaprasad Adhikari, Yuvraj Khatiwada and Lakshminath Gautam. The correct answer is option B. Mahaprasad Adhikari is the present governor of Nepal Rashtra Bank. Demand draft is a options are not negotiable instrument, not transferable instrument, negotiable instrument and none of the above. The correct answer is option C, negotiable instrument. Demand draft is a negotiable instrument. Which bank is called lender of last resort? Options are Central Bank, Development Bank, Commercial Bank and Agriculture Bank. The correct answer is option A, Central Bank or Nepal Rashtra Bank is known as lender of last resort. From which country did paper note begin in the world? Options are India, Spain, USA and China. The correct answer is option D, China. How many paper notes have been in circulation in Nepal till now? Options are 9, 10, 11 and 12. The correct answer is option C, 11. How many digits are there in ATM card? Options are 12, 14, 16 and 18. The correct answer is option C, 16. Last questions for today's video. What does SEZ stand for? Options are Special Economic Zone, Southeast Zone, State Enterprises Zone and Stream Environment Zone. The correct answer is option A, Special Economic Zone. Thank you for watching us. This much for today's video. If you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel and for more, please visit our channel. Thank you.